Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with Lily the Husky doing an unboxing video of one of our favorite dog products. I've actually already purchased this in the past, but I needed a new one, so I also decided to go ahead and get a different color this time. But this is actually a pet care cup, which is something that we love to take on walks with our dog, fill it up with water, and it's easy to give that to her on walks. Let's go ahead and walk through it together. Are you excited? All right, so the first thing, this is actually in a little plastic coating, a little plastic bag, which is nice. And it's a really decent size. Holy crap, this is bigger than the other one I bought. That's awesome. So this is actually really big. A lot of water can be put in here. And as you can see, it's very, very simple to unscrew that, pop your water in. There's also a little hanger in here. So if you want to hold on to this because you're on a hike or you are on a walk, you can easily screw that to the top and then you could have that just hanging on your wrist. Just literally screw it back in. This is the leak-proof situation, so you can go up and down, and that is leak-proof. And then once you do that right there, that is where the water is going to come out. So we are going to push this button. The water is going to come through here, fill up this trough, and something for her to lick. Very, very simple. It's a very good size. I'm just going to put for measure. My head is obviously smaller than this. So this is a really good thing. Whether you have a small dog and you want a large amount of water for a long trip, or for a big dog with a big tongue who takes those really big gulps, okay? This right here, I can fit my entire fist in, so that's to show you exactly how big the trough is. This is one of our favorite Amazon products because, again, when we're taking her out on a walk, because she is a husky, granted, she does have self-regulating coat, but she does get very thirsty and hot on walks, especially in the summer. This is our go-to.